Hello again. This is Dr. Connie Williams with Cohen Institute, and today we are going to continue the counting of the Omer with day 46. And I'm going to pull up our whiteboard as we always do so we can see what's going on with the tree of life and our blessing, of course. So here we are. We are in the last week of the 7 weeks where we are counting towards the feast of Shavuot. And we only have 3 days left. And then we will have arrived. 49 days of counting. And then the 50th day is not counted, it is celebrated. It is also likened unto the day of Jubilee. And so that's the idea. You have arrived, freedom has arrived because you have been going through 49 days of introspection and searched your soul to see where improvement is needed. Also searched whether goals have been achieved and how can we improve. All these type of things in order to grow, to ascend, to transcend. And so it's getting exciting, especially if you have made it every one of those days. And it's quite normal in the beginning, to miss a day or two because life happens. But over the years, you get used to it and you feel very, very accomplished when you make it to day 49. But today we're on day 46, so we're not quite there yet, but almost. And so being in the week of Malchut, number 10 here on the tree, we are pairing with Netzach, the right side. And remember, Netzach and Hod, they're twins. One on the right, one on the left. They all have to do with victory and glory and, overcoming, having the power and the strength to accomplish the things that you want to accomplish. But before we get into the meditation, let us say the blessing together. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam asher kiddushanu b'mitzvotav etzivanu al sefirat ha-Omer. Blessed are you, Lord our God, King of the universe, who has sanctified us with his commandments and commanded us concerning the counting of the Omer. Today's 46 days, and which is 6 weeks and 4 days of the Omer. Netzach Shebech Malchut. Wonderful. Let's look at our meditation, as they call it, for today and see what the title is. And this comes from the Lubavitcher Rebbe. And the title for today is Defining Your World. We are not passive observers of this universe, but rather partners in its creation. We are the ones who assign each thing its meaning, who bring definition and resolution to an otherwise ambiguous world. Don't imagine that you are just telling it the way it is. Choose your words, choose your perspective, like a witness on the stand, because the way you tell it, that is how it is. In other words, we are the creators of our own reality, not just my personal one, but everything that is around me. In the Garden of Eden, God told Adam, which, by the way, Adam is a Hebrew word that means humanity. He tells Adam, go name stuff, defining its purpose, defining its parameters, defining what it will do, what it is. That's what we do every day with everything that we name. That's why we should answer and give our opinion. Like the Rebbe said, like a witness on the stand, you think carefully of how you answer. What is it that you want to create with your words? And listen, I'm not one of those speak it, name it and claim it. And, if you just say a thing, it will be. It takes a lot more than that. But it is important that our words match the reality that we want. And over time, it will change for us when we change our words. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you back again tomorrow. Well, technically today, because I have to make videos ahead of time. Nevertheless, for you, it will be tomorrow. God bless. Until then.